persevere.
To keep going even when things are hard. She chose to persevere with her difficult puzzle. Despite the strong winds, the bird persevered in its flight.
Astute.
Being clever or good at making decisions. The astute chess player quickly saw the best move. Her astute decision saved the company a lot of money. Candid. Being honest or telling the truth. He was candid about losing his phone. In a candid moment, she admitted that she had always been scared of heights.
Impeccable.
Something that is perfect or without mistakes. His room was impeccable after he cleaned it. The performance was impeccable. Not a single note was out of tune. Versatile. Something or someone can do many different things well. The versatile athlete excelled in soccer, basketball, and track. The versatile tool can be used for cutting, hammering, and screwing. If someone is truthful about not doing their homework, which word would best describe them? Versatile, candid, astute, persevere. If a knife can be used for chopping, slicing, and dicing, which word best describes the knife? Versatile, candid, astute, persevere. If someone never gives up, even when a task is very difficult, which word describes their actions? Versatile, candid, astute, persevere. If a student quickly finds the solution to a difficult math problem, which word best describes the student? Versatile, candid, astute, persevere. If a drawing has no mistakes and is absolutely perfect, which word best describes the drawing? Versatile, candid, astute, impeccable.